Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neelam and you are watching Neelam's Lifestyle. If you're new to my channel, usually I do the DIYs and the home decorating and the garden decorating video. So today I'm taking you with me at the Home Sense. If you are new to my channel, I want to tell you that the Home Sense is one of my favorite store where I got my home furnishing most of the time. Sometimes Walmart or sometimes the real Canadian superstore, but mostly Home Sense. I found this tree. It's $229 for 7 foot height. It's catch my eye. I think it's a good addition in your garden or indoor. I really like this $39.99 copper inspired table. I think it's good for garden or you can use inside. And then they have a tons of selection in the table lamps. Every time when I come here, they have a tons of selection, and always, as you know, I check the clearance aisle. Right now I don't need any table lamp because I have enough, but I always check these aisles for inspiration. This is $46. Actually, this caught my eye because I think it's have a laser detail, metal cutting, and then these cute pom-pom ones, maybe good for the kid rooms. They always have a really nice clock selection. In my house, I have actually, I think, two clocks, wall clock from here, and I really love their clock prices. This is not a sponsored, but I really love to share the affordable design, which is actually my motto. I always going for a affordable but luxe looking design. This is the crystal lamp for $99. I have a crystal lamp, but in the square crystal, and it looks so awesome. I have, I think, from last 10 years now. And this is the clay pottery, $59 coral inspired table lamps. So, and sometimes when I want to change the look, I just got the new shade. So $20 to $23 you can get a new shade. And actually this off-white is one of my favorite. I never go with the crisp white, but because it didn't give you that ambiance which are you looking for. I always like the warm white. And these burlap pillows I saw first time here, really nice. I think it's really pretty stubborn and good style for outdoors and long lasting. I love their artwork. It's $79.99 for that big piece. The door pictures and the doorways always attracts me. I always like the paintings which inspired by coastal or these cute bull. I really like it. I already have one in my office. I'm going to show you in my detail video later. But this is so cute and the price is always good. I love this misty forest. So far, if you like the video, give me thumbs up, subscribe the channel, hit the like button, and I'm going to share tons of video with you guys. Thanks.